Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Listen, today I'm gonna go a little southern style on y'all. I got me some delicious catfish that I'm just gonna blacken. It won't take but a second. Y'all hang on tight for Pat's Blackened Catfish. Okay, y'all, let's run through the ingredients real quick. Got my cast iron skillet with about 2 tablespoons, maybe a little bit more, peanut oil, already getting hot. I got my spices here, which I've got some fresh thyme, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, onion powder, and garlic salt. And then I've got salt and pepper, and I got 3 catfish fillets. So what I want to do is add some salt, some pepper, some more salt, and then just whisk all of this together. You're going to get you a nice mixture of this all whisked together. And we're going to we're making our own spices. You know, sometimes you can buy great poultry or fish seasoning at your local store. This is just what I like to use, but you can certainly use your own, or you're allergic to something or something like that. So what we're gonna do, I cleaned my fish and rinsed them off in cold water, and I didn't dry them too much. I'm gonna turn my skillet up just a little bit because we're blackening it, all right? And so once you get that, then what you're gonna do is gotta make sure. A good way to tell if your skillet is just right is you'll see the shimmy in there, which we're getting that now, because I don't want it to cook too fast. Fish doesn't take that long anyway. So we're just gonna press down and coat it. Sides all over. All right, I'm gonna slide this over a little bit. All right, well, no, I'll just leave it like this. So then we shake off the excess, and I'm gonna start the meat side down, and go with the other one. Just coat it. We got to keep an eye on it. I'm estimating maybe about 3 minutes per side. What really creates the black in blacking is the searing of it. You only want to flip it once. So I got a fish spatula here that I'll check in just a bit. And also what helps create the blackening, you can smell it, is the spices. Well, I did just enough seasoning, didn't I? Like that. I'm gonna cook it in batches, but I'm gonna let this one just sit here. Like that. Always kind of lift it up. Yeah, it's blackening pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and flip this one. And that's what you want. It's what I love about fish. It doesn't take long at all. I'm gonna check this other one out. Let it sit there a little bit longer. If you notice, I'm cooking like on a medium heat, because I don't want to burn it. I want it blackened, but I don't want it burned. The fish is very tender and delicate. That's why I don't use a regular spatula. I got what you call a fish spatula. Okay. Take this one and flip it over. And don't be alarmed. That little black, that's why it's called blackened catfish. It's supposed to be black, and it's not burned because I'm cooking at a decent temperature. What that is the spices. So I'm gonna finish cooking these. We'll add the other one and go through the same process. All right, this is the last one. Again, turned out gorgeous. And I'm funny, y'all, about how I plate my stuff, so I want it to look pretty. So I'm gonna layer it in there like that. And when you got fish, I always want to garnish it. So I'm just gonna take me some little lemon wedges. And go around like so. That way if somebody wants to squeeze them a little lemon, they can. Let's come around here a little like that. Like so. And we did it, y'all. Just that simple and easy. We came with our catfish, blackened catfish. Y'all tell me what you think. I think it looks beautiful. I can't wait to grab a fork and dig in. And as always, if you enjoy this recipe and you want to leave a comment, leave a comment. And while you're leaving the comment, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tell a friend to tell a friend that Pat is over here throwing down.